What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, we are talking about Ruddy Man Grooming Company. We're going over one of their latest scents. It's called Chin Music. It is themed towards baseball, the great American pastime. Thank God it is back. I've been waiting for baseball season for what seems like eternity. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are returning, thanks for coming back, you guys. All that stuff's out of the way. Let's go ahead and dive into the review. So let's go ahead and kick it off with my favorite product, which is beard oil. Now this comes in a 1 ounce amber bottle with a standard dropper top on top of it. The labeling is really unique. Every character that is on the front of these bottles are hand drawn by Jimmy's wife. Nice golf clap for her, because I really do think they look fantastic. It also does have your carrot oil blend broke down on one side of the label. The other side will have your scent profile broke down as well. Checks off all the boxes that I want for my labels to have. A beard oil from Ruddy Man will run you $18. I do have an affiliate code that you guys can use. ATB15 will save you 15% off of your order. Now, if you're wondering about the carrot oil, how it feels in beard, I did do a review on Ruddy Man already for this channel. I'll link it up above. You can check out all the information as far as the carrot oil blend and how it feels. All that stuff is covered in that video. But let's just go ahead and look at the scent profile for Chin Music. So Chin Music, like I said, is the play on baseball, America's favorite pastime. Now this scent profile is grass, dirt, leather, tobacco, and popcorn. Truly a unique scent profile, if I do say so myself. I've never seen anything like this, and I've never smelled anything like this. Now when I do smell this scent, you guys, right up front, I do get a fresh cut grass earthiness, I guess, from the dirt. That is really the leading character, but it really does transfer pretty quick into a rich leather Swedish tobacco mixture combination. And on the back end, if I didn't know popcorn was listed, I wouldn't be able to pick it out. So maybe it's just my mind playing tricks on me, but I do get a little bit of a sweet popcorn on the back end. Really not anything huge, but overall this is just a really nice outdoor nostalgia type of a scent. Yeah, as soon as I did smell this, you guys, I really did just get taken back to when I was a kid playing outside. So I really did get that kind of nostalgic feeling. It really is a great scent. Everything is really wrapped up together. Pretty much just an outdoorsy sweet scent is what I'm getting out of this, with a little bit of leather. But fantastic. It is very well done. I will be using this when I go to the ball games, because I have a ball game coming up and I will be wearing Chin Music to the ballpark. So overall, I think this is a great scent. I think it really does embody baseball. So I think that's what Jimmy was going for. So if you're a fan of baseball, I really do think Chin Music is going to be mandatory for you to check out. So the other product that I have in the Chin Music scent profile is going to be the Summer Butter from Ruddy Man Grooming Company. Now, I've never seen anything really like this before, nor have I ever tried anything like this, but basically this is their whipped beard butter in liquid form. It comes in a 4 ounce container, bottle, however you want to look at it. It retails for $25. And I don't have to worry about my beard butter melting in transit. With summer coming up, the one thing I hate is a beard butter that really does melt in transit. I have to go through the hack system of getting it back the way it should be. I just don't have time for it. I don't want to do it. So I was really intrigued by the Summer Butter, the liquid form, and I really wanted to try it out. It felt great in beard, you guys. It hydrated my beard, conditioned my beard just like any other whipped beard butter would do. It smelled just like the beard oil, so zero complaints whatsoever. And with summertime coming up, if you really don't want to deal with a beard butter melting in transit, just cut it all out and get the Summer Butter from Ruddy Man. I highly do recommend it. Now, if you are looking for a little hold for your beard, you can check out the Beard Balm from Ruddy Man as well. It comes in a 2 ounce container, retails for $20. Of course, it has beeswax in it. I'm not a huge balm guy, but I did use this a couple times. It does a great job of controlling flyaways. It doesn't have a super strong aggressive hold to it. So if you're just looking for something to shape up your beard, the Beard Balm from Ruddy Man should do the trick, so definitely check it out. And also, while you're on that website, look at everything else they have. Jimmy's doing some great stuff in 2021, and I know he has a lot coming down the pipe for the rest of the year, so definitely keep an eye on Ruddy Man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one, and as always, stay safe and stay bearded.